Do you want to see how this Urberg Rogen Power Stove is firing up really quick? Wait until the end and you will see. In this small bag we have a total and full cook set ready for hiking. It's a really cheap cooking set with additional press coffee equipment. This you can buy for $10 or so, and it fits inside the bag. Here we have something which looks like very much like a Jetboil, but it's much cheaper. And this is a 650 milliliter can. We have a plastic lid on the top. Inside the canister we can fit 100 grams of gas, and we have the source of fire itself, which is made from plastic down here so it doesn't scrape inside the canister. I still am going to put this in a sock or some kind of fabric just in case. And to make this last longer, here is a gas handle and the lighter on the side. And as you can see, when we fire up this thing, this works very, very fine. So these are the parts for the whole cooking set. This press coffee thing isn't necessary unless you need coffee from this, because the main purpose of this stove is to boil water for your dry meals. So if you only cook water, there is no dishing necessary. We have measurements on the inside and it's metric, so it's in liters. We have 0.6 liters inside of this canister. The handles can be folded like this. The outside is insulated so you don't burn your fingers off. And when everything is finished and cold, put this back into the canister, the 100 grams of gas and the plastic lid on top, which also has a hole in it so you can drink from it, and holes to let out some steam. Here you have it. This is the volume it takes up in your backpack, and it saves you a lot of space and also some weight. Unless you need more than 100 grams of gas, you have to bring that as well. Unscrew this, put it down there, and zip the bag, put it in your backpack. Really looking forward to bring this stove on the next hike. It has its purpose. It's not that easy to fry fish in a pan, but it's really good for boiling water. And often on hikes, we eat dry meals anyway. So thank you for watching. Have a good hike. See you next time.